Arnott is pleased to offer multiple air suspension replacement products for GMT800 chassis GM SUVs with Autoride. In this video, we show how to replace a failing front shock on these 2000 to 2006 GM SUVs with a new passive Eibach Pro-Truck shock from Arnott. Shock removal. Removal step 1. Wheel removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Disconnect the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Remove the front wheel. Removal step 2. Removing the OEM front shock. Remove the upper shock sensor plug. Turn the plug counterclockwise to unlock it from the shock. Support the lower A-arm with a jack or other suitable device to relieve pressure from the shock's mounting points. Remove the upper mounting nut, washer, and rubber isolator. Remove the lower shock mounting nut and bolt. Remove the shock from the vehicle. Removal complete. Front shock installation. Installation step 1. Installing the shock. Install the new air shock into the vehicle. Reinstall the lower shock mounting nut and bolt and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Reinstall the bushing and washer onto the top of the shock. Reinstall the nut onto the top of the shock, tightening to manufacturer specifications. Install the upper shock sensor plug onto the damping coil and attach it to the top of the shock. Note: secure the sensor harness in a way as to not interfere with any moving parts or components with excessive heat. Installation step 2. Reinstalling the wheel. Reinstall the wheel. Lower vehicle. Installation complete.